Didn't anybody tell you there's a recession going on?
If you're struggling to thrive during a recession, it can be easy to feel overwhelmed and uncertain about the future. But don't give up hope. There are steps you can take to not only survive this difficult period, but to come out even stronger on the other side. First, it's important to have a plan. Take control of your financial situation by creating a budget and finding ways to cut back on expenses. Consider picking up a side hustle or finding ways to increase your income. And make sure to have an emergency fund saved up for unexpected expenses. Next, focus on building your skills and increasing your value as an employee. This could include taking on additional responsibilities at work, investing in education and training, or even starting your own business. By becoming more valuable to your employer or clients, you'll be more likely to secure your job or attract new opportunities. It's also crucial to stay positive and focused during this time. It's natural to feel anxious and unsure, but try to stay motivated and keep a long-term perspective. Look for opportunities to network and connect with others in your industry, and seek out resources and support when you need it. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. There are resources available for those struggling during a recession, including government assistance programs and financial counseling services. You don't have to face this challenge alone. The recession may be a difficult and trying time, but it's only temporary. By taking proactive steps and staying positive, you can not only survive, but thrive during this challenging period. You have the strength and resilience to overcome any obstacle and come out even stronger on the other side. Believe in yourself and never give up.
Well, it's all fun and games until someone triggers a global recession.